Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Yurko here. I am going to help you use the spline tool today. Today we're working in OnShape, and one of the questions I'm getting from folks is, how in the world does that spline tool work? I want to draw things that go like that, and I don't know how to draw things that go like that. Sometimes we go whoop or whoop, 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 but it gets a little weird. So here is how we do the lines. That line is called a spline, and the tool, once you're in your sketch window, is above the sketch tool in the left side of the toolbar. It's got the three dots and the curvy parts to it. We click on the spline, and then every point we click adds another point along the spline. To finish the spline, all we need to do is click on the same point twice. So I'm either going to click on the last point I just clicked. Go on, go on. No, that didn't work. Oh, no. There, dang, didn't like it. Okay, so come in here and no, do without moving your mouse. So if you click, move, and then try to go back to the same spot, it's going to give you trouble, just like it gave me trouble. But if you click, move, and then don't move your mouse and click twice, like a double click, it'll finish. Or you can go in a loopy like thing, touch this, and then you'll see the little squarey thing pop up, and click on that and it'll finish. So those are your options for sketching and finishing with a spline. But wait, there's more. You can also change your spline. So you can escape out of this thing by hitting the escape key in the upper left-hand corner of the keyboard. And then you can push and pull on the dots to move your spline around. And you can add additional dots if you want more spline points. And then escape and move them around as well. Or you can remove them by right-clicking and deleting that sketch entity. Yay! Who knew? Well, all the people at OnShape. But now you know. Have fun. Keep being awesome.